Hey, TurboTax accountants, Mark Franke here. This is video number 3 of case number 2, talking about the married couple Michael Rissell and Janice Rissell. In this video, we'll talk about the mortgage deductions and property tax deductions that homeowners can take. We'll also talk about some educator expenses. And then we'll wrap up and look at the check figures and the review process. Okay, so if we go to federal taxes, deductions and credits, and I'll choose what I work on. And we're going to use mortgage interest, refinancing, and insurance. Again, you won't see this 2016 information on your version, but the name of the lender that they pay their mortgage to is California Mutual. We don't spread any points. We don't have fictitious names or seller finance loans. So none of the above apply here. And the amount of interest that is deductible for 2017 for Michael and Janice is $12,680. It's exactly the same as it was last year. We also have to report the outstanding mortgage principal amount. In this case, it's $340,612. We have to put in the mortgage origination date, and then we can also add the property taxes that were paid. Property taxes can be paid directly to the tax authorities, or they can be impounded by the bank. If they're impounded by the bank, they'll be reported on the tax form, the 1098, and you can put it in here. So we've got our home loan deduction for California Mutual in here, and you'll notice that the property tax amount is plugged in there from the 1098. The rest of these we covered in the other video. Estimated taxes. Other income taxes are going to be the state taxes and property taxes that we already put in. But we do have some educator expenses. So we'll look at that. That is, Janice is an elementary school teacher. And so when she buys supplies for her classroom, she can take a deduction for that. And she's able to deduct $250. That's a credit. We also have some job-related expenses. For Michael, who is a manager. These are things that are a requirement of his job that his employer doesn't pay for. Some things that might apply here would be a computer or possibly uniforms. And we'll just put this in as professional publications. No special situations. Done. So now we're done. If we go over to the Federal Review, we're ready to check your federal return for errors. No errors found. It's a good idea to run this so that you can see if there are things that at least TurboTax thinks need to be fixed. And then continue. We're going to go to File, Print and Save for your records. We're going to save a PDF file. And we can do some specific forms like Form 1040, Schedule A, Schedule C, Schedule SE, Child and Dependent Care, Education Credits. Those forms will be just fine. And then you can save this as a PDF file. I'm told that the Mac version is a little bit different, but these are the forms that I'll be looking for what you submit. This is just for practice, so don't need to worry about it right now. Now, if I go to Tools and then Tax Summary, here's the check figures that are on your handout. We have adjusted gross income, taxable income, and then a refund of $798. Have fun with this case, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.